make some of the best carrot cake recipes. I'm Dorothy and I blog at crazyforcrust.com, and all of the recipes can be found there and links down below. We're starting off with my absolute favorite carrot cake recipe. This is a 4-layer cake, which it starts as 2 layers and then we tort it to 4 layers. It is super moist and absolutely delicious. It's got tons of oil in there to keep it nice and moist. And then of course I add applesauce because it adds extra flavor with less oil. And then of course you're going to add in all of your dry ingredients and then your carrots. Now, whenever you're making any sort of carrot cake, no matter what it is, whether it's cookies or really anything at all that calls for shredded carrots, be sure and shred them yourself, because if you use the ones at the grocery store, they're going to be too hard and be kind of weird, crunchy in your final cake. This recipe uses a toasted pecan cream cheese frosting, so you could skip the pecans, but oh my gosh, the pecans add so much flavor. And cream cheese frosting, you cannot go wrong with cream cheese frosting. It's so good and so easy to make. When I frost my favorite carrot cake, I tort the layers, which means you cut them in half horizontally. And then I frost in between every single layer. Now you could frost the entire cake if you want, but I don't love frosting the entire cake because for some reason, I just don't have good luck with that. So what I like to do is just frost the insides and then run a little bit around the outside sometimes just to kind of make it look a little bit neater, but it's kind of like a naked carrot cake. And that is my absolute best favorite carrot cake. That's the start off today. Our second recipe is carrot cake cookies. Now, I love cookies. If you know me at all, if you followed me at all for any length of time, you know that I am the cookie queen. And so turning cake into cookies is absolutely one of the things that I love to do the most. And these are a brown sugar cookie, and I love using brown sugar in cookies because it keeps them super soft. And again, we're shredding our own carrots because the store-bought ones will be too crunchy. And then once you bake these are going to be nice and cakey. That's kind of the point. You press them down a little bit because they're not going to flatten too much. And then of course you need a cream cheese icing. I mean, is there anything better than that on top of a carrot cake cookie? These freeze great. They store well. These are the perfect portable flavor of carrot cake. Our third recipe today is what I invented, carrot cake cheesecake cupcakes. Now I know carrot cake cheesecake is all the rage, but that is so difficult. Making a layer cake and then making a cheesecake and then stacking them, not to mention serving. I have been making these cupcakes for over 15 years. And I like to think that I was the first one to put cheesecake in a cupcake. At least I was the first one that I know about. So I love doing this. I originally created this mashup recipe for a contractor who was doing some work on our house. I asked him what his 2 favorite flavors were, and he said carrot cake and cheesecake. And so I married them together. It's just my regular carrot cake recipe, but we're making a little bit less of it because we're going to make cupcakes. So we're going to fill each of those cupcake liners with a little bit of the cake mixture, and then we're going to make the cheesecake mixture. And the cheesecake mixture starts with cream cheese, and it's just your basic easy cream cheese mixture. So it's sugar, cream cheese, egg, and sour cream, and then a little bit of vanilla. And once that's all mixed together and smooth, now the trick to making cream cheese frosting or cheesecake or anything that has cream cheese in it is to make sure that that cream cheese is completely room temperature. If there's any coolness at all, that cream cheese will be lumpy, and you don't want lumpy lumps of cream cheese in cheesecake. Just ew. So then you're going to drop some of that cheesecake on top, bake those cupcakes, and then of course you need a cream cheese frosting. We love cream cheese frosting in this house, obviously. Cream cheese frosting is absolutely easy, absolutely delicious. We love it. These cupcakes are heaven. And then of course we're going to turn carrot cake into carrot cake pie. That's right. I invented this recipe for my first cookbook, Dessert Mashups, and it is a pie crust filled with a carrot cake blondie and topped with, you guessed it, a small little cream cheese icing recipe. And this is gooey and rich. It's kind of like a cookie pie. You know how when you make a chocolate chip cookie pie, the cookie kind of stays really gooey in the center because of that crust prevents it from browning on the bottom. And so it's the same thing with these. It's like a giant blondie in a pie crust, and it's so good. This is one of my most favorite things that I've ever made, and it's one of those things that I always get such rave reviews on. You're going to love this recipe, and of course, that cream cheese frosting on top. Again, I'm Dorothy, and I blog at crazyforcrust.com. All of these recipes are linked down below. Be sure to hit that follow button if you haven't followed along already, and you are going to love all of these recipes.